We're going to plot out the C sharp minor scale today. And a whole step brings us to D sharp, half step to E, whole step to F sharp, whole step to G sharp, half step to A, whole step to B, and then whole step brings us to C sharp. That's whole, half, whole, half, whole, which is the minor scale formula. And I want to point out something here. This is the third degree of the scale. This is the sixth degree of the scale, and this is the seventh degree of the scale. And you notice that these are natural notes, E, A, and B. And when we're talking, however, about the minor scale, we would label these. This is the flat 3, the flat 6, and the flat 7. And that is because if we were to plot out the major scale, which is what we sort of base everything off of, this would be here. This would actually be called an E sharp. Kind of a weird one, but that would be an E sharp. This would be here, it'd be an A sharp, and then this would be here. That would be, oddly enough, yes, that would be a B sharp right there. And these would not be labeled the flat third, flat 6, flat 7. This would just be, the third would be here, this 6th would be here, and the 7th would be here. Okay, so this is if we had the major scale plotted out there. When we go to the minor scale, all we're doing is we're taking the third, we're moving it down a half step. We're taking the 6th and moving it down a half step, and then the 7th and moving it down a half step. So that's why we call these the flat 6 and the flat 7 and the flat third. Not because the note itself is flat, but because we are taking the third, the 6th, and the 7th from the major scale, and we're moving it down a half step. We're flatting it a half step to make the minor scale. So there you have your C sharp minor scale.